The cup is here! We made it! Championship day! Let's go!
From these massive pits, the journey of the FIFA World Cup Trophy begins. A masterpiece born from raw earth and relentless effort. Control, this is Sierra 1, package is loaded. Roger that, Sierra 1. Perimeter remains green. We have stable readings across all sensors. The pour is proceeding as expected. The pressure is fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Keep the flow steady.
Ensure the thermal parameters are stable for the pour. Confirmed. The spectrometer readings look under these extreme temperatures. The refined gold begins its fusion with the specialized alloys, a process meticulously monitored for structural integrity. The contours on the globe section need adjustment according to the specifications.
I agree. Let me verify the alignment with the compass.
Zoom in on the engraving detail. We need to verify the depth tolerance. The structural integrity looks good across the equator line. The CMM data confirms the proportions are exact, but look at the surface deviation here.
We'll need to refine this area by hand before the final mold.
The structural support on the base is optimized.
We must ensure the production scale-up maintains this exact finish.
It is exquisite work.
Keep it slow and steady in the slurry. Ensure an even coat. Now the stucco, generous but controlled. Ready for the drying chamber.
The deviation map shows a 99.8% pass rate on this half, confirming exact reproduction.
That precision meets the standard. We are clear for casting. Check the alignment on junction 4. It's slightly off the schematic. Adjusting now. The automated scan should confirm it.
Check the fluctuation on sector 4.
Initiating countermeasure stabilization sequence.
Levels acquired. Sequence holding steady.
The figures require more definition on the shoulder.
Yes, and the sphere is not yet perfectly smooth.
The thermal signature is within expected parameters.
Initiate the final pass on quadrant 3.
Verified. Applying solution.
The thermal calibration is stable.
Initiating final sweep. A delicate touch precisely applied.
This line requires a deeper cut. Just the right amount of pressure.
The sculptural integrity is flawless.
And the tolerances are within specification.
Final approval.
The iconic trophy enters the final finishing division. This phase defines its legendary luster. Precision is paramount.
Ensure the base is completely free of particles. Focusing on the upper curve now. Particle count looks good. Verified. Let's proceed with the final polish.
Excellent. It's perfect. Yes, truly magnificent.
The finish is exquisite. Confirmed. Data matches the visual integrity. Final status. Approved.
The dimensions are perfect. Move it to the polishing station. Check the rim alignment on this one.
The alignment is secure.
Proceed to final join.
Initiating lock sequence.
Complete. The trophy is assembled.
Commencing descent sequence, lasers engaged.
Precision check complete. Edges are optimal. Moving to final polish. Now scanning the Italia engraving. The results are flawless.
The analysis is complete. Perfect balance, right on specification.
The scan is progressing normally. Checking tolerance thresholds. Verified. The trophy meets all geometric specifications.
The data indicates a minor anomaly here.
Understood. Realigning the scanner now.
The magnification here shows remarkable consistency.
Yes, but verify the depth on these specific features.
Just a moment.
Exactly, looks perfect.
Confirmation initiated. The technical specifications are verified and signed, and the quality audit confirms its integrity. Approval confirmed. Let's make it official.
All documentation verified and signed. FIFA certification approved, as stamped here. Confirmed. The trophy is now secured under Milan Hub protocols.
Control, this is Sector 4. The integrity seal is holding steady. Thermal scan initiated.
Surveillance shows increased activity near the perimeter. Deploying eyes on that sector.
All transport units must reroute immediately. Confirm new coordinates received.
Maintain velocity at 0.5 meters per second. Approaching the ramp now. Copy that. Transitioning to the incline.
Perfect fit. Double check the dimensions. Ready to seal it.
Secure the base firmly.
It's perfectly aligned. Check confirmed. Ready to seal.
Biometrics clear.
System confirms access. Initiating transport.
Proceed with caution. Understood. Moving forward. Checkpoint clear. Bay 4 secure. Loaded and locked. Affirmative. Door closing now. Convoy is moving. Gate 1 secure. Roger that. All clear.
Cargo secured. Proceed with final checks. Confirming final checks completed. Clearance received.
Engines are spooling up. We are ready for takeoff.
Scan complete.
Verification confirmed.
Ready for loading.
Engaging hydraulics. Guide it steady. Clear to load. Verified. Secure.
Keep it steady.
Nice, they call the roll for again. Near the official.
Secure it tight. The convoy is ready.
Confirmation. Movement initiated.
Let's move this out quickly. Transport confirmed. Package is secure. Locking procedure initiated. Status green. Proceed to stadium.
The cup is here! We made it! Championship day! Let's go!
Keep it steady. Watch the base. Almost there. Careful.
Careful.
Perfect. Take the shot.
The champions of the world! Look at them! This is history.